Hello students, today we are going to start our chapter number 7 and the name of the chapter is HTML5. HTML5 means the fifth version of HTML. So we are using the HTML5 version and let's start with the internet is a worldwide network of computers that allows people to share information and communicate with each other. We all know we have studied internet. What is internet? It is a wide worldwide network of computers, and here we need the websites and web pages to be used. The collection of all the websites available on the internet worldwide is called web or World Wide Web. A website is a collection of web pages. So the website which we visit every day is a collection of web pages. Different web pages are there. Just like that, we have a book and we have different pages in the book. Just like that, the website has different web pages. The first page of the website is generally referred to as home page. Home page is the first page of the website. Suppose we visit any website and the first page which appears in front of us is known as the home page. A web page is composed of multimedia contents which include text, graphics, audio and video. एक जो वेब पेज है वो बहुत से एलिमेंट से मिलके बना है. Suppose the images are there, the graphics, the audios and videos, multiple elements are included in the web page. Web pages are created using a language called HTML. So each web page on the net which we see is coded in a language which is known as HTML. ये HTML language के अंदर कोड होता है. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. We can view web pages using a software called web browser. Web browser we have done. Web browser is a software which is used to view a web page. So let's start with the HTML. The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is a markup language used to create web page for the web. It was created in 1991 by Tim Berners-Lee. So Tim Berners-Lee was the founder of HTML. It is a coding language that governs the layout of a web page and decides how the content should be displayed. The latest HTML version is HTML5. So any page which we see on the website is controlled by the HTML language. कोई भी पेज हम वेबसाइट पे देखेंगे या किसी भी कोई भी वेब पेज होगा वो कैसा दिखेगा, उसमें कौन सी इमेजेस होंगी एंड मैनी वीडियोस, व्हाट इज द कंटेंट, क्या लिखा हुआ होगा, ऑल थिंग्स आर कोडेड इन HTML. सभी चीजें HTML से कंट्रोल होंगी. The latest version of HTML is HTML5, which we are going to study in this chapter. So what are the features of HTML5? Why it is different from the HTML previous versions? It allows us to use audio and video elements. पहले जो HTML का वर्जन था उसमें हमको plugins यूज करने होते थे ब्राउजर में, but in case of HTML5 allows you to embed audio and video files directly into a web page instead of using a plugin. Canvas element. This element allows you to generate graphics programmatically in the browser. That is, you can now draw lines. We can draw lines, curves, shapes, text, images, and so on using the canvas. So this is also the feature of HTML5. So the next feature is HTML5 provides us many new input types. Means we can use date, color, calendar, email, month in place in the form which we are filling in the HTML5. So these are the extra things which are provided in the latest version of HTML. So here we have to create a new document. How we are going to create? सबसे पहले क्या करना होगा, कोई भी HTML फाइल बनाने के लिए first we have to open the notepad. आप स्टार्ट पे जाएंगे, आप नोटपैड ऑन कर सकते हैं या फिर आप सर्च पे जाके नोटपैड सर्च कर सकते हैं. वी हैव टू ओपन द नोटपैड, देन वी हैव टू टाइप द HTML code in the notepad. So then we have to write the HTML code. After that we have to click on the save button and save the file with .htm or .html extension. So these extension we have to use, and after that we have to run the file in any web browser. So I will tell you how to use it next. This is the first HTML program. Here you can see the first line, doc type HTML. This line tells the browser that this is a HTML file. Here the HTML tag is there. We have to start. हमें कोई भी HTML डॉक्यूमेंट है, सबसे पहले हमें उसमें ये लिखना होगा HTML, और उसका एंडिंग पॉइंट भी लिखना होगा /HTML. तो इसका मतलब होता है ओपनिंग ऑफ टैग, इसका मतलब है क्लोजिंग ऑफ टैग. देन वी हैव टू यूज द हेड टैग, और हेड टैग में हम टाइटल टैग यूज करेंगे. दिस इज द टाइटल ऑफ द फाइल, and after that we have to use head, close the head tag. Then we have to start with the body tag. जो हमारा वेब पेज है, whole web page will come in the body tag. Here starting with the body tag, then we have to close the body tag after writing the whole web page. So this is how we are going to code the HTML first program. So let's start. So now we have to open the notepad and we have to start with writing the HTML. This is the opening tag. यहाँ पे हम first of all हमको tag specify करना है HTML का. After that we have to specify the head tag. After that we have to write the title of the page in the title tag. Suppose my page is my first HTML file. So this is the name of my file, and now we have to close the title tag. जो हमने सबसे लास्ट में खोला है, हमको पहले बंद करना है. Then we have to close the head tag, and after that we have to start with the body. अब हमको जो भी हमारे वेब पेज में लिखना है, that will come in this body tag. Suppose I want to write I'm learning HTML, then suppose I study in class 6th. So these two lines will appear in your web page. ये दो लाइन जो हैं आपके वेब पेज में आ जाएंगी क्योंकि आपने यही लिखा है अभी. Then we have to close the body tag like this, and then in the last we have to close the HTML tag. अगर आपने इसको close नहीं किया, your program will not run. So now we have to save. Control S. We have to give the name. Suppose I give it a name sample 123 dot. We have to give the extension of the file also .html. हमको आगे .html लगाना है. Then we are saving on the music folder and save. So now we are going to the folder and we are going to run this. So in the music folder we can see the file here, sample. Just click on it, open with Google Chrome. So here you can see I am learning HTML, I study in class 6th. So this is how ये हमारा वेब पेज बन गया, and वेब पेज पे हमारे क्या आया, these two lines. So this is how we are going to create the web page. Now moving on to the HTML tags, elements and attributes. So a tag is the basic formatting tool of HTML. जो अभी हमने टैग यूज किए थे, HTML टैग यूज किया था, हेड टैग यूज किया था, टाइटल टैग, बॉडी टैग. सो ये सभी are the tags in the HTML document. A tag is always written between the angle bracket. These two brackets के बीच में ही हमको टैग का नाम लिखना है. So you can see the example here of the tags. Here the tags are divided into two parts. Tags दो types की होंगी, एक empty tag और एक container tag. Empty tags are those which do not require an off tag are called empty tags. इसमें हमें केवल एक ही टैग देना होगा. Suppose example break tag stands BR stands for break tag. Here container tags which have both the on and off tags are called container tag. जैसा कि हमने यूज किया था, टाइटल को स्टार्ट किया था उसको बंद किया था, बॉडी टैग स्टार्ट किया था उसको भी बंद किया था. Here bold tag is started and bold tag is closed. So इनके बीच में जो भी आएगा that will be appear bold. So this is the container tag. Element is the basic building block of HTML. For example, you have written this line. So this is an HTML element. Tags just mark the beginning and the end of HTML elements. So the next topic is attributes. Attributes are extra bit of information related to a tag. कोई भी टैग होगा उसमें कुछ हम एक्स्ट्रा इंफॉर्मेशन अगर ऐड करते हैं, that is the attribute of that tag. Attributes appear inside the opening tag or the on tag and their values are written inside quotation marks. जो attribute है वो हम कहाँ स्पेसिफाई करेंगे? In the on tag or the opening tag. तो आप you can see the example here. This is the paragraph tag. अब पैराग्राफ टैग में सपोज हमको पैराग्राफ को अलाइन करना है सेंटर में, तो हम we can use the align attribute of paragraph tag. So we have to write the align then equal to center. The value of the attribute will come in the quotation marks as given here. Here align is the attribute of p tag. So this is how we are going to use the attribute. So in the next class we will learn more about the other things in HTML. Thanks.